We have time for one more, maybe. Let's see. Let's try it.
For the win!
Yeah, I want the big damage. Under 5 statements. Let's see if we can do it. We got a minute left. Are we attacking anybody? Right, down, right, down, right. Okay, we can do a WoW loop. Hero. We're gonna have, we move right 1, 2 times. We're going down once. So right, down, right, down, right. That should set it off. Let's see if we can do it that way. A.
Move down.
2 lines of code.
Move right. Move down.
So the while true statement
Move right.
puts it in a continuous loop so we don't have to type over and over and over again. And that's my time.